Today we're going to look at how to scan a document using your iPhone. You don't need a separate scanner or any extra equipment. Your iPhone can capture, clean up, and save documents in just a few taps. This is useful for things like receipts, paperwork, forms, notes, or anything else you need to digitize quickly, especially if you want a cleaner result compared to just taking a photo of a document. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone. Once you're in Notes, create a new note by tapping the Compose button in the bottom corner. Now look above the keyboard and tap the attachment icon that looks like a paperclip. From the menu that appears, select Scan Documents. Your camera will now open in scanning mode. Position your document within the frame so your iPhone's camera can see the entire page. In many cases, your iPhone will automatically detect the edges of the document and capture the scan for you. If it doesn't, you can tap the capture button manually. Once the page is scanned, you'll see a preview of the image. Here you can make some quick adjustments. You can drag the corner points to better align the edges of the document if needed. This helps ensure the scan looks clean and properly framed. When you're happy with the alignment, tap Keep in the top right. If you have multiple pages, you can continue scanning additional pages the same way. Your iPhone will combine them into a single document. Once you've finished scanning, save your document by tapping in the top right corner. The scanned document will now appear inside your note. Now that we've scanned our document, we have a few options. If you tap at the top of the scanned document, you can browse through the available options. For example, if you had a printer connected to your network, you could print this right away from your iPhone. If you wanted to share it digitally, tap Share and then select the method you want to use. This allows you to export the scan through options like Messages, Mail, AirDrop, or other apps on your phone. Moving back to the previous menu, you can also just save it directly to your iPhone by selecting Save to Files. You can then retrieve this at any time using the built-in Files app. So now you can scan documents from anywhere using only your iPhone. Once you know where the feature is, scanning documents with your iPhone is quick and surprisingly effective. You'll get a better result than just taking a photo of a document, and it will be then treated and stored like a document rather than a photo. This channel is built around simple tutorials that viewers actually find useful. If there are other iPhone features you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments, and check out the rest of our iPhone Basics series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.